Good morning, blessings on blessings. Today we are putting together this package commercial unit. So I had to cut out the old piece and put in a new piece. And a little bit of attic access today. It's your boy Just Joshin, hanging out down here with Grand Air Refrigeration AC. That's Bill Williams, working with him today, June 6th or 7th. I'm going to go back here and take a couple pictures and keep this shorter than a minute, but hope y'all having a blessed day doing some AC work, change out in the Florida Keys. Peace.